In a world where freshness is fleeting, the DREAMEALTHY Tritan Vacuum Food Storage Kit emerges as a guardian of your provisions. It's more than a simple storage solution. It's a preservation powerhouse, meticulously engineered to keep your food at its peak. The trio of containers 1L, 1.5L, and 2L are crafted from BPA-free Tritan, a material as clear as mountain spring water yet as tough as a diamond, which means they resist stains and odors, ensuring your food tastes exactly as it should. The included compact handheld vacuum sealer is the heart of this system, working with a simple one-touch seal that acts like a magic wand, drawing out all the air in mere moments. As the air disappears, it's as though a protective shield is lowered over your ingredients, locking in flavor, nutrients, and texture for days, even weeks. Furthermore, the 2 bonus vacuum zipper bags provide added versatility, making it so much easier to seal and store delicate items or smaller portions. Therefore, the DREAMEALTHY Tritan Vacuum Food Storage Kit is a revolutionary tool for any kitchen. The containers, with their airtight lids, are a sanctuary for all your culinary creations. From fresh vegetables and juicy fruits to leftover stews and savory sauces. Additionally, they are specially designed to handle liquids without a single drop escaping, so you can confidently store soups, marinades, and juices. This system is a master of organization, too, because these containers stack neatly in your fridge or pantry, transforming cluttered spaces into an orderly pantry landscape. This kit is a metaphor for a commitment to reducing food waste and embracing a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. It is so easy to use, so even the most novice home cook can quickly master the art of vacuum sealing. On the other hand, the durability and functionality of the kit will please even the most seasoned chef. Consequently, investing in the DREAMEALTHY Tritan Vacuum Food Storage Kit is like building a fortress around your groceries, ensuring their longevity and protecting your investment. For instance, imagine a world where avocados no longer brown in a single day, or where berries stay plump and firm for what seems like an eternity. Furthermore, this kit is the gatekeeper of flavor, guaranteeing that every meal you create tastes as vibrant as the day you prepared it. You can confidently prep meals ahead of time and store them, knowing they will be just as fresh when you're ready to eat. This system not only saves you money by preventing spoilage, but it also saves you time by allowing you to shop less frequently and cook in larger batches. In short, this storage kit isn't just about keeping food. It's about elevating your entire cooking and eating experience. Pros: incredibly easy to use, works super fast, sucks the air out, keeps my food fresh for much longer. High quality, durable material, create a perfect seal, stackable, saves space in my kitchen, reduces food waste. Rechargeable vacuum holds its charge well. Containers are see-through, well-made, seals quickly. Cons: vacuums won't last forever. Containers are a bit bulkier, a bit fiddly to use. Containers aren't big enough. Features: includes 1L, 1.5L, and 2L containers, comes with a handheld vacuum sealer, includes 2 vacuum zipper bags, one-touch sealing. Containers are BPA-free Tritan, creates an airtight food seal, suitable for storing liquids. Lids are included with containers, keeps food fresh longer, easy to use. The DREAMEALTHY Auto Vacuum Seal Container Set includes 1L, 1.5L, and 2L containers, a compact handheld vacuum sealer, and 2 vacuum zipper bags. The containers, made from durable, BPA-free Tritan, are designed to create an airtight seal with a simple one-touch operation, helping to keep both solid food and liquids fresh for a longer period. Each container comes with a lid, and the entire system is easy and intuitive to use. The DREAMEALTHY Auto Vacuum Seal containers offer an easy-to-use solution for keeping food fresh. The set includes 1L, 1.5L, and 2L containers, along with a compact, handheld vacuum sealer and 2 vacuum zipper bags. The system is praised for its speed and effectiveness, creating a perfect, airtight seal with a single touch. Made from high-quality, durable, and BPA-free Tritan, the containers are also stackable and see-through, helping to save space and organize your kitchen. The rechargeable vacuum sealer holds its charge well. The main benefits are reduced food waste and extended freshness for both solid food and liquids. A few drawbacks noted are that the containers can be a bit bulky and the sealer may be a little fiddly to use for some, and the containers might not be large enough for bigger storage needs.